Hello everybody, have a nice day and welcome to the second video tutorial of C programming language. Here we will be discussing about decision making and we will be doing a program to find whether a number is even or odd. And first of all, let me make a program right here. Okay, I have taken here one variable where I will be storing a number, because to keep a number or anything into the memory we need some memory location. So here in this case I have taken number as that memory location. You all know that integer is taking 2 bytes into the memory, and here printf statement will be printing a message onto the screen, and scanf is to put the actual number into the variable whose name is number. Okay, ampersand means address of, so this is address of operator. And further we am going to write the main logic of the program, and here we go with the statement that whether number is divisible by 2 or not. Please keep in your mind that in the expression given in if statement we have number modulo 2. This is modular operator, and it is basically used for finding the remainder when we are dealing with the division. Okay, so suppose I say 5 modulo 3, so the remainder will be 3, and if I say 3 modulo 5, then remainder will be 2, because 3 1s are 3 and 2 will be the remainder. So in this thing I have number modulo 2 is 0, means if number is exactly divisible by 2, and you all know that if number is exactly divisible by 2, then it will be a even number. So I print the same here, that the number is divisible by 2. Printf statement I give here, and I just give here a /n, okay, just to make it to be written into the next line, and I just write here that number is divisible by, if 2, then number is even. Okay, number is even. Okay, and the counterpart of if is else. If the statement is not going true, then else part will be executed, means if the number is not exactly divisible by 2, then else part will be executed. Printf, we just write here that number is odd. Okay, number is odd, and finally I am giving just get ch, that it will be holding the screen until I get some character into this, and above all I am writing here clear screen. CLR SCR is a method that is contained into the conio.h, and I just save it. Okay, now control F9, enter the number. I enter number, so number is suppose 23, and it is not exactly divisible by 2, so number is needed to be number is needed to be odd, and so it will be printing odd. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you one very important thing here, that you can scan your program line by line by pressing F7. You can see here it is so very easy to track your program line by line, and it is the option trace into. Here are two options, trace into and step over. That is, trace into is done by F7. So as time will come, I'll tell you the use of F8. So F7. Okay, first of all, our program is entering in the main method, that as I have told you in the last lecture. Next it will be cleaning the screen, clearing the screen. As this statement will be executed, I can just see what is on to the output by pressing Alt and F5 altogether. Okay, so the screen is clear here. So F7, if I press, enter the number statement is printed. Again I see it by pressing Alt F5, and it is waiting. Okay, it is waiting, and I'll press F7 again, so scanf statement will hold for some time so that I can enter the number. Suppose I am entering 65, and then I press enter. It will not give a result here, mind it, because it is being scanned by tracing system. Okay, F7 I press again. When number, that is 65, I'll check whether it is divisible exactly by 2 or not. It will come false, because 65 is not divisible by 2, completely divisible by 2. So F7 I'll press, and it will just jump on to the else part of the if else ladder. So now it will be executing the printf statement given here, number is odd. Okay, and then after that, if I'll again press F7, it will be giving the result. Now it is holding the screen. Getch, many people say that getch is used to hold the screen, but it is not so. It is actually waiting for some character to be entered, and that character will not be appearing here. There are two methods, getch and getche. As time will come, I'll tell the same to you. Okay, so let me repeat the program once again. Clear screen is a method that is used to clear the screen. Second one, printf, is to just to print a output or a message onto the screen. Scanf, to enter the value into number. Okay, so number is actually a location into the memory. Variable naming is what? Giving a location into the location name into the memory. Declaring variable, and is just we are saying that there is a memory location who will be taking 2 bytes if it is integer, and then storing some value into it. We store actually by using scanf method. Okay, so the location I have given when I am declaring int number, and I'm storing the value when I am giving here scanf statement, right? Now further, I'm gonna make decision if number is exactly divisible by 2, is written like this way. If number modulo 2 is equal to 0, if I have to write number is exactly divisible by 3, then I'll be writing number modulo 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now it will be taking decision based on what value I have entered into the number, if and else. Okay, so take care. If you are you want to make any query, I also told you in last of my video, you can you can query me on satyavanteacher@gmail.com. okay, so take care, bye bye, have a nice time. I'll be getting out of this. In next lecture we'll see you with some new topic. Until then, have fun.